10mm spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the outer edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to fit larger wheels or tires on your Tesla Model 3, to avoid the rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your Tesla Model 3 is a matter of personal preference and taste, but many people agree that 10mm spacers can improve the look of your Tesla Model 3 by changing its stance and proportions. 10mm spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your Tesla Model 3 are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, steering system, brake system. 10mm spacers can affect these factors by changing the geometry and dynamics of your Tesla Model 3. Increasing the clearance of your wheels or tires. The clearance of your wheels or tires is the amount of space that allows them to move freely without rubbing against your fenders or other parts of your Tesla Model 3. You need to have enough clearance for your wheels or tires to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and roll variations. 10mm spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the center line of the wheel or tire and the mounting surface of the hub. 10mm spacers can create the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relatively to the hub. Also, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.